Mumbai is voting, but this is not just another civic election. The mayor of India's richest municipal body is about to be chosen, and the spotlight is firmly on the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, the BMC, an institution whose financial power goes far beyond city limits. Polling is underway across 227 wards, and the stakes are enormous. The BMC is not just a civic body, it is a financial giant. In February this year, it presented its biggest budget ever, rupees 74,427 crore for 2025 to 2026, marking a sharp 14% increase from the previous year. More than half of this budget is reserved for capital expenditure. Roads, bridges, drainage lines and core infrastructure dominate the spending plan. Rupees 43,166 crore or 58% of the total outlay is aimed at building and upgrading Mumbai. To understand the scale, Mumbai's civic budget is larger than the combined municipal budgets of Delhi and Bengaluru. While Delhi's civic body proposed just over rupees 16,000 crore and Bengaluru's about rupees 19,000 crore, the BMC stands far ahead. The comparison becomes even starker at the state level. The BMC's budget exceeds the total annual budgets of states like Goa, Sikkim, Tripura and even Himachal Pradesh. Despite being only a municipal corporation, it commands resources that rival full-fledged state governments. What makes this more striking is the fact that the BMC has been functioning without an elected house since March 2022. An administrator has been running the civic body, yet its financial footprint has continued to expand. The BMC's income comes from multiple sources, fees and user charges from the biggest share. These include building permissions, water connections, licenses, advertisements, and various civic services. Between 2016 and 2025, the BMC earned nearly 94,600 crore from fees alone. Taxes add another major stream. Property tax, water tax, electricity tax, and other levies together contributed nearly 75,800 crore over the last decade. Property tax revenue alone is expected to touch rupees 5,200 crore in 2025 to 2026. Grants and subsidies from the state and central governments also play a key role. The civic body earns money by providing services for other agencies, including charging the Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority for maintaining key business districts. On the expenditure side, infrastructure dominates. Over the past 10 years, the BMC has spent more than rupees 1.11 lakh crore on maintaining and upgrading Mumbai. Roads, bridges, sewage systems and flood control projects account for the largest share. Healthcare is another priority area. At least 10% of the annual budget is dedicated to public health. This includes hospitals, disease control programs and sanitation. In the last financial year, close to rupees 100 crore was earmarked to fight vector-borne disease alone. Education, transport and civic services also receive heavy funding. The BMC has allocated over rupees 11,300 crore to support best buses over the years. For 2025 to 2026, it has proposed an additional grant of rupees 1,000 crore to strengthen public transport. Now politics enters the picture. More than 1,700 candidates are contesting across 227 wards. Over 64,000 staff have been deployed to conduct the elections. Officials say spending this time will exceed the 2017 civic election cost by a wide margin. And that is why the BMC election matters. Control of Mumbai's civic body means control over one of the largest public budgets in the country. Bigger than most cities, bigger than several states, and central to how India's financial capital is run.